It's obviously dark. We've lost the light of day, and we've got extremely heavy rain that's wrapping around the tornado itself here. And oftentimes, it's these power flashes as the tornado winds themselves hit a transformer or hit a utility pole and cause that what we call a power flash that could be indicating to us that we've got a tornado. In fact, I want to assume that right now that we do have a tornado, and if we do, in all likelihood, it is crossing over Highway 82 here, about halfway between Munster and Gainesville, and it's moving off to the north-northeast. So if you live anywhere just west of Gainesville to Munster, on up towards the Red River, you need to be in your tornado-safe shelter. That's the lowest floor available, away from exterior walls or windows, in a closet or in a bathroom. If you have time to grab some heavy blankets or mattresses to use for head protection, by all means do so. There has been reported again by storm spotters on the ground a power flash, which could be indicating to us a tornado knocking out maybe a transformer or a utility pole, and that is moving off to the north-northeast here. So you folks there in Cook County under a tornado